What if I told you that you can use Google VEO 3 completely free and create unlimited AI videos without paying anything or worrying about credits? Yes, really 100% free and unlimited. I know how frustrating it is. You try to make a video and the tool blocks you, asks for money, or limits your access. I've been there too, and honestly, it can make you feel stuck and annoyed when all you want is to create something amazing. But here's the good news: after hours of research, I found a method that really works. With this, you can make perfect AI videos, high-quality visuals, great sound, and no watermark, as many as you want. The best part? Unlike other tools where you get credit limits, with this method you can generate unlimited AI videos for free using VEO 3. No credits, no restrictions, no hidden limits. And to prove it, just look at these videos I created using this method.
Try to catch me!
Yes, all of them, completely free, unlimited, and without worrying about credits. The secret is Gemini Gen AI. Just search it on Google, click the first link, sign up, and your dashboard is ready. From there, you can start making unlimited videos, and I'll show you step by step in this video. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll wonder why you ever struggled with limits before. Stick with me and let's make this happen together. This tool is honestly very impressive and completely free. Here we can use Google VEO 3 without worrying about credit, and it also offers many other amazing features. Everything is very simple and easy to understand. Now, since our main goal is to use VEO 3 for free, let's start the process. Simply click on the Studio option, a new page will open, and this is where our creative journey really begins. Now let's generate our first video. In the model section, you will see few amazing models available. For example, you can also use Grok here for free, but since our focus is VEO 3, simply select VEO 3. As you can clearly see, VEO 3 here is completely free, which means you can generate as many videos as you want. There is no need to worry about credits or limits because everything is free. After selecting VEO 3, if you want, you can also add a reference image for your video. Then simply enter your prompt in the prompt box and click on the Generate Video option. You can also see that it clearly shows video generation costs 0 credits, which means our video will be generated completely free. All right, our video has started generating. After a few moments, the video is ready. Here we go. Just look at the result. It looks absolutely amazing. The sound quality, the visuals, and the motion are all perfect. And as you can see, there is no watermark at all. This is really a big advantage because many tools give free access but place an ugly watermark on the video. But this tool gives you clean results with no watermark and great quality. Now, simply download the video for later use. Let's generate another video. Again, we follow the same process. Enter a new prompt in the prompt box and click Generate Video. After a few moments, the video is ready. Here we go again. The result is amazing. The motion, the camera movement, the video quality, and the sound effects are all excellent, and again, there is no watermark. I repeated the same process again and again and generated several more videos, and here are the results.
This ends now.
As you can see, the quality is consistent every time. The visuals, motion, and sound effects remain high quality, and there is still no watermark at all. So guys, you have seen the results yourself. This tool, Gemini Gen AI, is truly a hidden gem for content creators. It is like a blessing because not only can you use VEO 3 for free, but it also offers other powerful features. For example, you can also use Grok AI here and generate unlimited videos without worrying about credits. This means you no longer need to pay for VEO 3 or buy expensive subscriptions from different tools just to generate AI videos. This is such an amazing opportunity. Go ahead and try it yourself. Generate unlimited AI videos, experiment with ideas, and just enjoy the creative process. This tool is powerful, simple, and completely free. I've shown you the full method step by step. Now it's your turn to give it a try. And hey, if you found this helpful, drop a comment below, give it a like, And don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us bring more awesome free AI tools for you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep creating.